Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the right devices and permission first. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated, Bluetooth is on, and AirPods Pro 3 are charged. Once done, open Settings, tap Accessibility, then enable Live Listen and Translation features. This grants mic access and real-time captions. Put the AirPods in your ears and pair them normally. Hold the case near the device. Now tap the Control Center Translation or Live Listen shortcut to start capturing the other person's speech. This begins the flow of audio into. Next, launch the Translate app or use the Control Center widget to begin. Select the source language and the language you want to hear. Choose conversation mode so both sides can speak. Make sure the iPhone microphone faces the other speaker. This reduces noise and improves accuracy. Tap the orange Translate or Live Listen button. Audio will stream to your AirPods and the translated text appears on screen. You'll hear translations through the right ear or both. Adjust volume and language mid-conversation, if needed. To finish, stop the session in Control Center or close the Translate app. Put the AirPods back in their case to disconnect. If audio stutters or drops, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair the AirPods. This often clears glitches. If translations seem wrong, make sure you have a stable internet connection and select the correct dialect or language variant. Background noise also degrades accuracy, so move closer or enable noise reduction. Finally, restart your device as a last resort. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.